Have you been searching for the perfect dish to bring to that summer potluck or picnic? Well, you can look no further because this avocado corn salad is it. Hey there, I'm Lena Brazil and you are watching Evolving Table, where we make good food that's also good for you. So let's go ahead and jump straight in and start cooking up that salad. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of cooked corn. You can either use canned corn, previously frozen corn, or fresh corn off the cob. When I first made this dish, I actually just used a bag of frozen corn because it was more of a, oh my gosh, I need to get dinner on the table, let's purge the fridge kind of creation. But since then, I've actually tried it out with fresh corn, and y'all, it tastes so much better, and it's definitely worth the extra time and effort it takes to boil the corn. Before you can start boiling it, you first need to remove the husk from 3 ears of corn. The easiest way I found to do this is to first cut and remove both of the ends. Feel for the junction where the stalk meets the corn and make sure to completely remove it. Starting from one of the cut ends, gently begin to peel back the husk. Grab onto and remove as many of the silk strands as you go. If your husks are being a little bit stubborn and aren't easy to remove, you can always pop them into the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes before peeling. This helps to soften the husk so they can be removed more easily. Pick off any remaining silk strands between the kernels. It's not a huge deal if some of these are left, as they'll inevitably fall off while boiling. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Once boiling, add the corn and bring it back to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Carefully turn the corn over halfway through cooking so all of the sides cook up evenly. Remove the corn cobs from the pot using a slotted spoon or tongs. Let the corn cool until it reaches room temperature. You can also speed this part up by running the cobs under cold water. Using a sharp knife, trim the boiled corn from the cob until you have 2 cups. Add the corn to a large bowl and break apart all of the bigger pieces into smaller bites. Now it's time to prep all of those other fresh ingredients. You'll first want to start by cutting up 1 cup of a seedless cucumber into bite-sized cubes. Pit, peel, and cut 1 large avocado into cubes. Make sure you get a ripe but still slightly firm avocado so it holds its shape in the salad. If you're prepping this salad ahead of time, wait until just before serving to cut the avocado up so it doesn't begin to brown. Slice a red onion until you have 1/4 of a cup. A sweet onion may also be used if you want a little less of a bite. Quarter 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. Grape tomatoes can also be used and will only need to be cut in half. And finally chop fresh cilantro until you have 1/2 of a cup when it's loosely packed. Add all of these vegetables to the bowl full of corn. Along with 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Lemon juice may also be used. 2 tablespoons of olive or avocado oil. The chopped cilantro. 3/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. Toss the ingredients together until they are well combined. Be careful not to overmix as the avocado may begin to get mushy. Serve the salad immediately or refrigerate it for a few hours before serving. So good. And if you want a few more easy picnic ideas, make sure you check out these other simple summer dishes. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.